Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to broadcast high quality sound on Blogtv without the need of the Flash Media Live encoder. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have a Ustream account, and let me just show you. Right, you need to make a Ustream account. This is Ustream. You click somewhere along here, sign up. It should say it somewhere. Once you've signed up with an email address and put a password in that in, like normal, then you need to accept the email they send you to confirm who you are. Once you're up and running on Ustream, you need to go on to Blogtv. You need to make sure you click on here to go live first. That's very important. You need to make sure you're actually live on Blogtv first. Then, once on Ustream, you click the yellow Go Live button, and then you choose whatever account you want to, channel I mean. You choose what channel you want to broadcast on, and then you click broadcast. I've already done it, so you wait till the screen comes up like this. Once the screen shows up, it should then change over to Blogtv, the high quality sound, and yeah, basically that's it. Look, see the screen there? Once that shows up, you should get high quality sound. So let me know what you think of it, and if you like, you can leave a comment, rate it, thumbs up, thumbs down, and yeah, that's it really.